Hey guys, Dave Pangione here. I just wanted to reach out and let you guys know that Pangione Developers also paints all of our projects. If requested, we will bid out and price painting into the entire project. So, for instance, an attic level where we're doing a whole floor on top of the house. Usually, there's extensive first floor remodeling. The homeowner will opt to get the whole house painted. Our packages will include painting, and the homeowner will choose all the colors. And in just 3 days, we'll have the entire house freshly painted, the first floor and the second floor. All of our trims and our doors, we actually spray so that the finish is like a baked look, perfectly finished. There's no brush marks. Looks like it comes right out of the factory. So all of our trim, our moldings, our doors, everything's sprayed that trim-wise. The walls, we give the 2 coats. We sand in between the coats. The walls come out perfect. So if you're interested in a remodeling package, just keep in mind that we can price in painting. Our packages are very affordable, and we will have your home, a brand new home or remodeled home, painted in 3 days or less, and it just makes it a lot easier for the homeowners to get back into their home a lot quicker. Okay guys, so we're upstairs. So I'm going to show you a little bit of our technique for our spray painting and our top floor painting and first floor painting. What we like to do, let me get into a lit area, sorry about that, but what we like to do is we like to spray all of our trims, like I mentioned earlier. We take a gun, we spray all the base trims, the door and window trims, all the doors. It comes out, like I said, like a baked finish, but there's a preparation involved, and what we do is we tape off all the windows. We tape off right on where the base meets the floor. We tape off around all the hardware outlets. So let me show you around. I'll show you exactly what we do. Okay, so we're up in the master bedroom, and you can see these windows. What we're going to do is we're going to spray these windows, not the windows, the trim, and we have a large trim here, a large base, and what we do is we tape off all of the windows. We tape off around all the floors, around all the base trim on the floor. You can see the outlets, we tape off over them, all of them. And then we go around the windows. You can see again the windows are taped off. This is a pocket door hardware, all that's taped off. We'll look in here, you can see the floor. These are hardwood floors. You don't want to have too much paint built up on the hardwood for the flooring finish crew to remove. So a simple line of tape and edge will eliminate all that. And if we go down the hall, you can see now this big area of brown paper, that's in this area because we're going to paint this door. We're going to spray it. There's no brushing involved here. It's all sprayed. Going down the hall, same thing. All right, so looking this is the hallway bathroom. We cover up the vanity. This lower 4 feet is all tile. So everything up from that 4 feet up is going to be sprayed. We're going to prime and then spray from the 4-foot tile up. Let's go down the hall here. I'll show you a little bit more. Again, you can see the paper on the floor for the doors. Paper on the floor. And you can see now what we do also is we prep caulk all the seams. Remember, this is all new construction, so we have to prep caulk all the seams where the trim meets the wallboard, and then all the nail holes. I mean, you don't get to see on existing construction. It's all covered up, so you never see all the nail holes. But if you look over here, you can see how many holes that we just covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. New construction is a lot of nail holes, so all that's prepped, filled, caulked, and we take care of all that. I'll show you a little bit on the other room that we're working on right now. You can see we're covering up the hardware on the doors, and then what we simply do, this is just a regular painter's tape, and we're just going to take a knife and cut around the tape, and we're going to leave it so that the hardware itself is covered nicely, and when we spray, there's no paint getting on the hardware. See how nice and neat that is? Hey guys, this is Real Home Remodeling with Dave Pangione, filmed live in New Jersey. click the like button and subscribe to our channel. And just like that, you just peel off the cut area and it stays on the hardware, and there's no paint getting onto this nickel trim. All right, so let's take a look at this big arch top window. You can see we got to prep it. Again, this is all covered with plastic, and what we're going to do is we're going to spray this. All the trim, you saw us install the trim in the prior videos, so you can see the nail holes. We filled all the nail holes. There's no nail holes showing right now. They're all filled. Everything's caulked. You can see the base caulking, caulked all the way around. The doors, we prep everything. It's all covered with the tape. Doorknobs, leave it all intact. What we do is cover it up. And then what we'll do is we'll get ready. Once we start spraying, we're just going to do the whole, all the spraying all at once, all the way throughout the first and second floor. Okay, so you can see we are a couple hours in, and we had taped off in the earlier part of this film. We taped off the windows, taped off the trim, and with that being said, you can see how fast we move along with the painting. Now, we start off with the spray, and we spray all the base trims, window trims, all the doors and door trims. You can see the doors are all. That's why we put the paper down there, so you can see all the doors are sprayed. And from there, once that dries, we start rolling out the walls. All right, so you can see the walls have been rolled out already. This is the first coat, and our ceilings are already done. So I'm going to walk through here, and I'll show you the process. Right now, this whole top floor, the first coat, what we did in one day, we prep caulked, filled all the holes, taped it all out, and sprayed our trims, and we're finishing up the first coat of the whole top floor. Now we're rolling out the bathroom here. I'll go down the hall. You can see this is one of the soon-to-be rooms for the daughter. Like a lavender purple here. See how nice the doors come out. You can see they're all sprayed. It's only the first coat, and we're going to go down. We'll go into the front room. This is the second room for the other daughter, and you can see we do all the bulk. You can see how nice and big this room is starting to look with the cathedral ceiling, all the moldings. You can see the doors. Everything's nice and sprayed out. High ceilings. And we're moving down into here. We have the half wall going around the staircase. A lot of nice colors. We have this, let's see, there we go, whoops, okay. So anyway, this is the laundry room, and we'll go take a look downstairs, see all the moldings coming up. Everything's been painted. Okay, you can see the room's getting real big. Paint, everything starts to come alive now. You can see that nice staircase starting to flow. It's all painted. We have all the trims downstairs. So you can see this really starting to come to life with the colors. Home additions, add a level, complete home remodeling. Become a subscriber. You'll see all our videos shot on location in New Jersey. Thanks. Click on the button right over there. Thanks. Hey guys, press the subscribe button. Thank you.